What's something people don't know about using Facebook in Nigeria and Ghana? Get ready to celebrate because Facebook has opened the gates to monetization. Yep, you heard it right. Facebook has finally unlocked monetization for content creators in Nigeria and Ghana. No more jumping through hoops or finding overseas agents. All you need is to meet Facebook's monetization criteria, and bam! You can start earning money from ad revenue right on your page or professional profile. This means in-stream ads, live ads, ads on Reels, bonuses, and even subscriptions are now up for grabs. This game-changing update rolled out just 2 days ago on June 27th, and the buzz is real. Creators are celebrating this massive win, calling it a new dawn for digital content in these vibrant countries. So if you're a content creator in Nigeria or Ghana, it's time to gear up and get those ad revenues rolling. Check your professional dashboard, get your content ready, and let's start making waves. The future is bright, and your creativity just got a major boost. Keep creating, keep shining, and let's make the most of this fantastic opportunity. See you at the top!